My name is Gary Grasso. I'm the former mayor, 2 terms, in Burr Ridge, Illinois. I am now on the DuPage County Board, where I've served for 5 years in my 2nd term, and I am not running for re-election. I'm running for Attorney General. While on the county board, I'm also the 911 chairman, the 911 board. The DuPage County ETS, or the 911 board, is the largest board in Illinois. I've also been for 12 years on the DuPage County Board of Health from 1999 to 2011. Prior to that, I was elected for 1 year as the president of the DuPage Mayors and Managers. In my younger years, I was on the school board at St. John of the Cross, on the parish council at St. John of the Cross. I was a trustee in the village of Burr Ridge, and I've also been on a library board in Western Springs, where we first started. I have also been on the board of Robert Crown in Hinsdale. I currently serve on the board of directors of the Hinsdale Bank and Trust, which is a Wintrust bank. It would be to use the power of the office to save the state of Illinois and to go after the things that we have taken for granted. Corruption, it's unacceptable. The opioid problems that we have in this state, the heroin problems, unacceptable. The public pensions issue has to be addressed. We know that it's unsustainable and it has to be addressed, and it's the reason why we have the one of the poorest ratings, almost junk bond status ratings for anything. As part of my civic duty at the board, county board, I was one of the first to stand up, having gone to a forum about opioid and heroin addiction, seeing a mother say to the state's attorney, "I'm so glad that my son is in your jail system because I know tomorrow he will wake up." That really sent a message to me. I'm a father of 6. My wife Janet and I were in our 40th year of marriage. For a mother to say that about her son, it just struck a chord with me. So I got active in the opioid abuse problem, stood up and said, we have to recognize we have a problem, let's try to get some funds for it. So the problem is opioid abuse. I stood up and asked for funds for Robert Crown and other organizations to go into our schools to teach about these problems, take the message home to their parents, and the results have been, we believe, that we have saved lives in DuPage County. You might be familiar with the Narcan program that the coroner and the state's attorneys have been, so I've taken an active part along with others in DuPage County, and I'm very proud of that right now.